I have 6 fabrics to bring you, and I'm just so excited to bring you them. They're so on trend of what's in the stores right now that it's just really exciting. The first one is 100% viscose woven. We see borders everywhere. They're just everywhere. Everything's being made with some type of border. Well, not everything, you know what I mean, but there's a lot of them out there. And so this is a panel. It goes from selvage to selvage. It's a woven fabric, 100% viscose, beautiful drape. Just absolutely beautiful. And the colors in here are the blue, cream, and that orangeade. It's just pretty. It's just really pretty. The border is about a little over 3/4 of a yard. And this border here, I mean the whole panel, I'm sorry, I said that wrong. The panel is just a little bit less than a yard, and this border is about 7 inches wide. So that's the piece, and it is beautiful. Now I'm doing all these today only at $7.99. $7.99, which is I'm sorry. I'm doing these 6 fabrics at $14.99. $14.99 today. That's today only though. This is a cotton silk. It is a woven, perfect for a little jacket. You can see how beautiful that blends, but again it brings in the orangeade, so I put all these together. Silk cotton, again great drape, lightweight, just pretty. $14.99 is a steal for this piece of fabric. This is the orangeade that's so popular. This is 100% viscose. It's a woven, and again, great drape. Like a rayon drape, only better because you just don't get the wrinkling that you get with viscose. So it has such a better appeal to it. This is 100% viscose also. It has stretch in one direction. Well, no, it doesn't. It has one way on the paper, but anyway, that's 2-way. So I apologize for that. Bright, perfect, wonderful. The oranges, the creams. It's just very, very pretty. That's a cream background. It's more of a dirty milk. It's not a milk. It's not quite that bright, but it's pretty. It's not a white, though. Just FYI, it's not a white. This is 100% linen. Isn't that beautiful? Linen is the #1 fabric for summer. It's just all over the place. This is beautiful, the mix of the orange and the cream. It's got this color coming in, so you can see it really blends well. This could be pants, jacket, just pretty. Just really, really pretty. 100% linen, and it's a woven. And again, $14.99 is a giveaway price. So remember, they're all $14.99, but that's today only. This is a knit creamsicle. It's a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions, and again, great drape. Now this one is only $12.99, just FYI. Some of our yardages are very, very limited, so that's the reason we're just kind of putting them together for color and then also for price. But the goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.